Sean SB machine here. I'll show you how to set tools on a CNC mill. This is a Matsuura gas hack. Gonna be in handle jog mode. Turn on measurement. And you want to make sure that this Z light is up. Because what it does is it's going to measure distance from here down to where I set it at. And you want to be on the tool. This is on 10 now, we're setting tool 4. Just go 4 up. Got a handy dandy presetter here. Like this is at 0. I used to use 1, 2, 3 blocks, but I found this. It's magnetic. So what happens if you're not at home and you're down a little bit, then your number's going to be off. And the tool I'm using to set off is 2 inches. So when it sets off of that, then it's going to be, the number's going to be 2 inches from here. What I do is get it close to 0 on the other numbers, and then I can go a little bit faster and see. I see it lit up when it was at 0. So now I want to set that, hit the right button, and you're going to see these 2 numbers going here. Well, now it's 1608. So now you need to set 3. So stay in handle jog mode, T3, L6, and the block on it. 3/8 spot drill. Zeros all the way across. So we're on 3. Now you'll see this copy here because it won't change screens. But it'll be 16 and 9913 is what's going to be copied here when I hit right. And it sends it home so you can start measuring the next tool. So now I got tool 3 and 4 done. And that's pretty much the basic. You just keep going on with that. Now all my tools are going to be set from here. So if I want to run a tool on a different setup, then all I have to do is change my work offset Z, not the tool Z. I only got to change the tool Z if you got to adjust the height of something like a spot, depth, or the size of a tool, or like a depth of a pocket. Then you would just change it. Thank you.